Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to see how to install the multimedia packages in MX Linux. So as we know, MX Linux is based on Debian, and Debian has the Multimedia-All package where it contains all the multimedia related application packages, plugins, then audio, video creation tools, everything is there. It is includes everything for audio video needs. So whether we can install that on MS Linux, that we are going to investigate. So first we have to search for the Debian Multimedia package group. So here you can see it is showing us some search results. So multimedia task, multimedia all, lib phonon 4qt 5 experimental, lib phonon 4qt 5 experimental, dev, this is stable version, and Diffoscope minimal, and Wolf for SDL stable. So out of this search results, this is the package, that is multimedia all, that we want to install on MX Linux, which will change the MX Linux installation into a full multimedia workstation where we can do professional level of audio video work. So here you can see default selection of task for the Debian Multimedia. So this is, I have shown you in the Debian Multimedia video playlist how to change your default or the standard Debian GNOME desktop into a multimedia workstation where you can do all audio video professional work. So we have found the package group of our interest. Now we have to install it. Sudo apt in, or you can say install also, means the same. Multimedia dash all, invalid operation. So in it is not recognized. So in OpenSUSE you can write in instead of install, but in Debian based Linux distribution, in is not recognized by apt package manager. So you have to do apt sudo apt install multimedia all. So the recommended packages are given here. So these are all recommended packages: multimedia ambisonics, multimedia animation. So these are the animation packages. This is the ambisonics package, multimedia audio plugins. So all audio plugins that are available in the Debian repository, they are available. Multimedia audio utilities. So these are all audio utilities. Then multimedia broadcasting, multimedia C sound, multimedia DJing, multimedia drums, multimedia firewire, multimedia graphics. So graphics tools are also there. So if you are a graphics designer, the required tools are available here in this package: multimedia graphics, multimedia jack, multimedia guitar, multimedia ladi, multimedia looping, multimedia midi mixing, multimedia musician tools, multimedia photography. So if you are a photographer professional, the tools required for your profession are available in the multimedia photography. Multimedia players, so all audio video players will be there. Multimedia pure data, multimedia recording, multimedia samplers, multimedia sound synthesis, multimedia super collider, and multimedia video. So these are the video tools. So we have to proceed with the installation. You can see here. So this will continue to get installed, and suggested packages are there. So these are the suggested packages. You may or you may not install this, and these are the recommended packages here. So you can see here, these are similar to what is installed when we install Pro Audio in Arch-based Linux distribution or Arch Linux. Similar, it is not exactly same, but similar packages are there. And these are the additional new packages that will be installed. And task cell, this is the task selection, task cell data will also be installed. So you can continue with this installation. This is the way to install the all multimedia related packages, tools, utilities to create a workstation that is for the professional level audio video work in MX Linux. So I have not continued here. I have stopped here. Just I wanted to show you. That's why I took the output of the terminal here and shared with you. You can go ahead and then you have to just install everything. All this can be installed, and suggested packages you can install by executing another instructions after the recommended packages and the required packages are installed. Then you can go with the suggested packages also in a separate terminal command. So I will now stop the video here. See you in the next video. Bye bye.